Everybody wants their PC to perform top notch, be quite responsive, and also super fast at the same time. And that is what exactly I'll be showing you in this video. Thing is, a lot of you people have requested me in my recent videos saying, hey Vimal, can you show some tips and tricks on how to boost our existing PC's performance? And that too at a very minimum investment. Again, I'm not talking about upgrading big things like CPU, motherboard, or GPU, because due to this whole current situation, I can't recommend that, right? I'll be showing you like easiest way to improve your PC's performance. So make sure you watch all of these videos in this new series that I'll be starting from today. So in the first video, guys, I'll show you the easiest way to boost your PC's performance, and that is by using a simple SSD. Again, in SSDs also you have like multiple variants available. You get the regular SATA M.2 SSDs, you get NVMe Gen 3 SSDs there, Gen 4 SSDs are there. Depending on your budget, you can choose these and improve your PC's performance greatly. What I'll be showing you today is a new entry level SSD from Kingston. So Kingston has recently launched this new entry level PCIe Gen 3 SSD in the market, guys, and goes by the name NV1, available from 500 GB to 2 TB. And today in this video, I'm gonna unbox it and I'll be giving like my review on this product. Keeping that aside, Kingston has also sent us a surprise package along with that review sample. So I have no idea what's inside this package. I'll be showing you what is this also along with that SSD. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is our new entry level SSD from Kingston, which I was talking about. It came in this sort of box packaging, and along with the SSD, looks like the brand has also sent us some surprise package, and I'm not sure what's inside this. We'll unbox that also along with the SSD, so stay tuned for that. So coming to the SSD, comes in a very simple packaging. The model is NV1. It's an entry level PCI Gen 3 SSD, and it says that it's almost 35 times faster than your regular hard disk, and it's almost like 3 to 4 times faster than the regular SATA M.2 SSD, available in multiple capacity variants starting from 500 GB to 2 TB. And on the front side, you can see the SSD directly exposed through the cover and comes with 3 years of warranty. So that's it. There's nothing much written at the back side also, so without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing and then I'll show you the SSD. And one more thing I have to tell you over here is the SSD actually comes with a free software called as Acronis True Image HD, which actually lets you like image or clone a drive. So make sure you don't miss that out and carefully cut the package, because the activation key for the software is inside this cover. And that's it. Let me just take the SSD out and show you how it looks like. Oops, it actually fell out. So there you go, guys. Our first look at Kingston's new NV1 entry-level PCIe Gen 3 SSD. This is how it looks like. Okay, it's got this complete blue PCB layout and looks pretty decent. On the front side, you've got the Kingston branding. It says NV1 model, and this, as I've told you, is a PCIe Gen 3 NVMe M.2 SSD. And you've got a lot of details written over here, like about the capacity and stuff like that. The one we have right now is the 500 GB variant. If you talk about the design and the form factor, well, this is a single-sided M.2 2280 form factor SSD and supports read speeds of up to 2100 MB per second and write speeds of up to 1700 MB per second. And it's compatible with all your laptops, notebooks, and also PCs. So that was our first look and unboxing of the SSD. What I'll do is I'll just keep it aside for now and I'll show you the surprise package that the brand has sent us. I'm like quite curious to know what's inside this package. It says memories empower and says Kingston is with you. You got the Kingston branding basically everywhere and doesn't say anything about the contents of the package. Let's open it and see. Okay, what is this? It says something regarding memories and a 7-day challenge? What is this? Oh, now I get it. Looks like Kingston is trying to cheer us during this whole current situation going on with this 7-day challenge to re-find yourself. A very nice gesture from the brand. You guys can actually pause the video and read the matter over here. At the top side, there's a colorful tiny box that says love memories forever, and it doesn't describe anything about the contents inside. Now this is making me very curious. Let's just open it and see what the brand has sent us. Oh damn, these are face masks, custom designed face masks from Kingston. I was expecting maybe something like a hard disk or SSD. Keeping that aside, you also have some paperwork over here. Looks like some sort of cards. I guess this is that 7-day memory challenge or something that Kingston was saying. It says memories empower and oh, you've got like 7-day cards that describe like particular things to do on that particular day, and doing this you can actually refine yourself. Anyways, thank you Kingston for this. Really appreciate the gesture. So that was basically the challenge, guys. Keeping these cards aside, finally something related to technology, they gave us a free pen drive. So looks like this is like a 2-in-1 pen drive from Kingston and say 64 GB capacity. On one side you got a type C interface and on the other side you got a regular USB type A interface. So it's like a 2-in-1 pen drive. Pretty nice. This can be useful for me. So thank you Kingston for this. And that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. So completely unexpected surprise package from Kingston. Now coming back to the main topic, guys, what I'll do is I'll just install this SSD in my PC and then be back to talk about the performance. Okay, I'm back to continue the video. I've already installed the drive in my test PC and been using it for the past few days. So let me quickly open up my PC and show you how much space is available on the drive. As you can see, the drive offers you around 465 GB of usable space, which is plenty for a normal user, and I've already been using it for my work purpose and saving my gameplays and stuff like that. If this 500 GB is not sufficient for you, then not to worry, you do have higher capacity variants available as well, up to 2 TB. So now let's talk about the performance. Kingston says that the NV1 offers a sequential read speeds of up to 2100 Mbps and write speeds of up to 1700 MB per second. Well, we're gonna put that to a test in this video. We'll be running some benchmarks and see what it's actually capable of. So I've already ran Crystal Diskmark on the drive and here are the results. I was actually surprised because we got scores higher than what the brand has mentioned. We got a sequential read speeds of around 2539 MB per second and write speeds of up to 1954 Mbps. Not the fastest drive I've seen, but hey, it's an entry-level SSD, right? So quite acceptable for the price. These NVMe drives are almost 35 times faster than your normal hard disks and 3 to 4 times faster than the regular SATA M.2 SSDs. Keeping these benchmarks aside, let's do a practical real-world speed test. For this, I'll be copying some large 4K files to and from the drive to show you what kind of speeds you get. Let's copy this gameplays folder from the drive to my desktop. Oh shit, that was super fast. Let me copy a much bigger folder with more number of files. So we're copying a 8.5 GB project folder and on an average, we were getting an average transfer speed of around 260 MB per second. As mentioned just now, not the fastest NVMe drive, but not bad either. It's actually performing very well considering the price that you're paying for it. It's great for work purpose, especially for content creators like me who shoot a lot of videos and edit in 4K. This can really speed up your workflow. And not just for work purpose, even the gaming performance can be greatly boosted using these NVMe drives. The boot times, scene loading, everything speeds up and adds to a pleasant experience. And while copying files from the desktop to the drive, we were getting around 350 to 400 Mbps. So if you're a person upgrading from a hard disk to an NVMe SSD for the first time, you'll be quite surprised by the results. Well, that's it guys, that was our video on Kingston's new entry-level NV1 PCIe SSD. It's a good performing drive for the price, offers fast transfer speeds, available in different capacities from 500 GB to 2 TB and is compatible with laptops, notebooks and also PCs. The only thing I felt is Kingston should have made a 256 GB variant as well. The 500 GB variant costs around 5,400 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.